Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to talk to you about how we can easily move projects between workspaces if you have multiple workspaces. So the only way how we can do it right now is just you can copy it. Right now there is no option, so you need to create a new project in new workspace, and you need to copy everything one by one. Copy task link, copy everything. There is no way how we can do it without it. So I know it's like really unlucky and everything, but this is the only way how we can do it right now. I'm sorry for it, but this is the only way. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.